The Fulani herdsmen and the bandit agenda in Igbo land has been exposed. I want you to watch this video from beginning to end. They say that these people are very, very ready to take Igbo land anytime, any day. They are very, very ready. So this our brother have come aside in this video I'm going to show you to make some points that every Igbo man have to be aware of. My people, come see where the Igbo children, the Biafran children, the Igbo children are doing parade. This parade was awesome. You see that if this country that they amalgamate us into is a country that reason well, there's a lot of good things in East. I'm telling you the truth. This video is going to be the best video you ever watch. Seeing these children performing wonder. Just stay tuned. Please go and follow my new Facebook Facebook page that will opened called Balabas Gist Vlog. Follow that page. I want to play this video for you to see how the children of Igbo children, the Biafran children are performing. Just watch the video.
Now what guys say here? Hey, Hada. Jesus. And I could back about go na aka. Aka over go na aka go na aka. Aso baka. No because come on you maka. If I come was Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, can na na futa. Come and give the best. So you go to go. Je o go go see I go. This man is not easy. Continue. You can not yourself to put down the what's it today, hey, you can okay. Because one knows. Hey, how do you go call your day? The cameramen and women, one knows because you are the no you will not walk. You walk alone. Hey, now watching car. I try with Spider-Man. What's it here? They put the problem check it in what's it, Bana? You don't need us a camera. One knows and then go to a coach, Coach, again. All right, this is Mr. Celestine. Mr. Celestine again, he is my coach. What's it here? What's it? I'm going to get the other member of the shift. I've been a look at one of them. I've been yes. Once a soldier is always a soldier. Hey, okay. Ofumam ga buru soldier. Andam da na da no even. See you na no one. Drop your guns. It's about my head, baby.
Before the final order.
House salute to the chairman of the nation and the PTA chairman. Oh. Pick up all no Maka. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This is the same people that fought the Biafra war. They have reincarnated and come back to this world. They are the one you are seeing. Those are our grandfather there. See them there. They are there. You see? So, Igbo have everything you are looking for. If you set them for Air Force now, you will see them. They will come outside. If you set them for everywhere, they will come outside. So this is the Biafran children. See what they can do. These guys are good. I give them 100. Guys, I want you people to rate these children from 1 to 100. If you give them 100, let 100 full in the comment section. Any number you give them, let it full in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. Let me bring you this video for you to hear the message this our brother sent to Ndigbo. Stay tuned and watch it from beginning to end.
And open that video I want a trend. That na here finish go kwa with Ndugu no kwa zibanye ka hana face and ina na ifuna hana bata zibanye na chozi mana je jo ase make your own research jo anybody who is a renowned researcher his onions gama that na ndi Fulani the only people as na hana atu egwu na Nigeria bụ Ndigbo enwe reason makana the colonial forces ne use there will be after us ejego test Ndigbo back in the days imana during the slavery na the 85 to 90% in Gotana history book slaves say we na aga America then were Igbo people because as Ndigbo the too strong na had the too powerful no ndị abunde ga baby do halubol na dey akwusi only obana ma how determined and strong we are and how stubborn-headed we are, and we resist slavery with everything in us. All that, but I do when we landing, slaves up away to Dunbar Creek. You were see the line into slavery. They overpowered the captain, capsized the ship by any memory, committed suicide. That is who you are. That's where you came from. And where any ragtag army of Fulani from anywhere that can ever defeat Igbo people. All I can tell you, una join yandi name Japan uneje anywhere. Igbo niile no na ani Igbo enwero anything na eji nweta n'obodo oyibo na adazi ada ha na anwuzi anwu. Kweli ihe ngwa gị na ebigo m na America for so many years. Anwakwa na anwa rapa n'Igbo na chi anyị efogo oge nke anyị elugo. It is time now for us to rebuild our land. Chia hokelu Ndigbo tetago n'ụla kita It doesn't matter who the politician is that will want to come and lead any state in Igbo land. From this moment on, the intention of flowing in the spirit of this new Igbo renaissance, that spirit will kill you before you even assume power. An Igbo amankwezika any useless politician chianya ọzọ oge nke anwa agago ma ihe oge aro kita oge alụbe Operation Catalonia ndị Igbo kwado unu ka anyị na-ahụ o nwere egwu na-agụ m n'isi na egwu Kristi ese n'Igbo kwe ụmụ Igbo kunienu n'ụra ndị Igbo teta n'ụra. Remember the song? That is the song we should be playing right now. Anywhere you are overseas, Biko Wado no Kani now no. The Wado Bani create vigilantes, mount guards on all our borders. And when anybody that can do anything, we will protect our land. And then when if I am say that I told you that. Another thing I want to say before I end this video. Mwa, I will be the number one to support this. I need a team of Igbo teachers. Igbo teachers, people who know how to teach the Igbo language from scratch to any level. Ndị otu anyị bi n'obodo oyibo bi na Lagos, be outside Igbo land. Anyị need unu. Obu unu ga form team. Tell me what it will take. I will be your number one patron. Nge patronize unu first before any other person. I can even pay you people to teach other people's families. The Igbo families, no Nigeria, no Africa, different parts of Africa need it. We are even ready to fly you people to different places to come and teach our children Igbo language. Obu Nunu, a group already, form the group, write me an email, send me a direct message wherever you find this video, and I will get in touch with you and we will activate any team that will make you people popular so that everybody will know that you people exist. Oge luga I ga kuzichelo umwani ni kesi asuibo obro momo to fire no bodo ndos ha na so asusu ndos carry asusu Igbo. It will never happen again. The revolution has begun because our homecoming ekwuleku na Bible ebidogo obro ndi ano ni Israel ka ekwu maka ha oge na munwa ka ekwu maka ha. Take that and let it sink deep down into your skull today and let God help you to do what is right when the time is right. On them, I love Umon so much, you know. You see, I keep mixing Igbo and English, but it's okay. At least I've known you, but I'm asking Igbo from Ofma and I'm from Genanya big time. God bless you. Bye.
Okay, for most of you people that is lost in this particular video that my brother is talking here, I hope you understand it. He's talking about the Funanis. Remember that 2 weeks ago, the Funanis dropped video saying that they have done with the North, and now the focus is in Southeast. And if you watch few days now, these people are trooping inside Southeast, different area of Igbo land. So guys, you need to be vigilant and you need to be aware of what is going on. There is others in Igbo that say that karaka adere means that a war being nice cannot, if the creepy will run before the war will get to him. So guys, Igbos need to wake up and stand their ground. You people are warriors, and warrior you will remain. Fulani will not do us what they do to the Hausa people. That one cannot happen. No tribe, nobody can do us what they have done to Hausa people. You can't hear Hausa today, you see hear Funanis. Okay, my people, share the video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.